Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to investigate the reaction rate of iron oxide. Check this out. Okay, so all I'm using in this reaction is a little bit of oxygen, some steel wool, a couple 80 milliliter beakers, and a 9-volt battery. Start out by pulling apart your steel wool and then sort of fluff it so you can increase the surface area of the steel wool so it can be exposed to more oxygen. And make sure that you can fit it easily into your beaker. I like to use these smaller beakers because the diameter of the mouth of the beaker matches the diameter of the oxygen tank, so it just fits really nicely over the top. So this is a synthesis reaction. As oxygen combines with iron, it creates iron oxide. And I can increase the rate of that reaction by using this Duracell 9-volt battery just to heat up the steel wool so it attracts more oxygen. And I'm just gonna touch it this way. And you'll see that reaction start. But what happens if I add a little bit of oxygen? Let's see what happens over here. Definitely increases the rate of that reaction. Just look at that. So what's going on in this reaction is you're taking iron, that's Fe, and you're combining it with oxygen, that's O2, to create iron oxide. This is a synthesis reaction that we also call rust. But it's also a reduction-oxidation reaction, or redox reaction, because you're oxidizing the iron with oxygen, which you could really tell when we added pure oxygen to the beaker with the steel wool. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.